I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integrations. Now search and select Trigger, which is Gravity from. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select Mailjet. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key and secret key, click on Mailjet API token. Copy the primary API key. Paste it here. Now click on Generate Secret Key. Copy the correct key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here is an advanced feature available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailjet. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. Form is successfully submitted. Now navigate Mailjet page and select the list. Here is the data that came into Mailjet through the integration. Thanks for watching.